Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sand a skim coat fast and easy.
To sand, I'm just going to give it a quick go over.
In the previous videos of this skim coating series, I showed you some tips and tricks of how to skim coat. I also showed you how to just scrape after the first skim coat instead of having to do any sanding whatsoever. In my last video, I showed you how to do a touch-up skim coat so you wouldn't have to re-skim coat the walls for a second time, along with doing a third coat of mud on the corner bead.
I'm just going to use a sanding sponge. Also, while I'm sanding, I'll remove the screen on this window. I'm going to open the window because it's such a tight quarter. I've got my work fan. It's going to blow most of that out of here. Then I've got a Shop-Vac with a filter that contains all the drywall dust. So I'll bring that in here and vacuum the floor out.
I want to go ahead and show you the tools and safety equipment I'm using while sanding this skim coat. I'm using a 2-strap respirator. It's for sanding and fiberglass particles. It has a valve on it. It's got the 2 straps. Don't get the ones with 1 strap and they're like paper. Those are no good. If you have a sensitivity to dust, you could always get the 3M respirator. Always wear safety glasses. These are what I'm wearing. They're kind of wraparounds, keeps the dust from going. Or you could use these goggle type. You're just gonna have to keep them clean because they do get dusty. Here's the sponges that I was using. They're a fine to medium sponge. They come in a 2-pack. Here's the Shop-Vac I use to clean up all the dust. It does have a dust filter that you have to buy separately. It's a Shop-Vac and it has the cartridge filter, and then it has a special dust filter that you put inside the canister of the Shop-Vac. I'll leave links to all these tools and safety equipment in the description. Let's get sanding.
I'm going to sand this out with my sanding sponge. There's not a lot of humps or edges to sand. I'm just going to give it a quick go over. I'm going to open this window, remove the screen. All this dust is hopefully going to blow out with my fan. Here we go. Fan action.
I'll leave links in the description to all the previous videos in this skim coating series. I'm going to start sanding at the ceiling and work my way down.
And I'm on the edge. I'm sticking this sponge right in the edge. You don't want to oversand it, just hit it, knock it down.
The key with the corners is to keep them nice and square. You don't want to over sand them, you just want to hold your sponge in nice and square and go back and forth a couple of times, then feel it with your hand. The sponge I'm using is a 3M fine to medium sanding sponge.
Feel it with your hand. Your hand is what's going to get you through this. So we're getting all the corners. Square that up a little. Just knocks everything down.
Hey, I wanted to give a shout out to anybody new to my channel. Welcome. If you're into home repairs, fine-tuning your drywall skills and texture matching skills, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a DIYer, contractor, handyman, I got some tips and tricks for you. over the years. I've been doing this for over 2 decades. So subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell notification so you get alerted whenever I'm posting a new video. Thanks again. Hope you're enjoying the video. Okay, so I've come down off my walkboards and I'm going to go around the room one more time on the lower floor level and hit any spots that I can.
Barely understand the moment. Skim coat. Feel.
Alright, so we're on the final wall, and this is also the wall where I did how to skim coat a wall in less than 10 minutes. I'll leave a link to that video in the card above. Can't say it enough to just feel with your hand as you're sanding, and you'll find any little imperfections way faster than you will with your eyes.
All right, here's the skim coated bathroom remodel. Just a small vanity area and then the shower. This place is tight. Skim coat, just sanded. Just lightly sanded it. There's that corner. Nice looking corner. Nice crisp lines in the whole place. There's corner bead and around the window.
If you're a DIY or a contractor looking for an easier way to apply a skim coat, I'll put a link in the card above where I show how to apply a skim coat using a paint roller. And if you want to learn how to repair your own drywall, perfect your drywall skills, match textures, get tips and tricks from a 20-year drywall and painting contractor, then start right now by hitting the round icon in the center of the screen now to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.